Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy named Yakov Karni, and I'm back with another video. And today we are going to talk about a special video, and this is actually my last time I'm going to do unboxing stuff, and I'm gonna start doing challenge and stuff like that. Now I hope you guys do me a favor and do a cheers with me. Subscribe to Yakov Karni and like the video, comment below, and hopefully I'll hit my goal to get 3,000 watch hours. Amen. Now, what we're gonna talk about, it's about a new microphone that I got right here in my hand, and it's called Hollyland Lark Max 2 wireless microphone. And me and my friends, we already put tape, a bunch of duct tape and everything. And you guys are wondering, why are you guys doing that? Well, last time I did an unboxing video, I accidentally put my address on it, and my mistake. But this time I'm just gonna put this, and this is actually my last time I'm going to do another video of doing unboxing. So I'm gonna start doing a challenge video. So what we're gonna do today is very simple. We're going to unbox this, and then later on I'm gonna call my friend Benji, who did all this for me. Shout out to him. And basically I'm going to unbox this to show you guys how it looks like, the details, the features it has, and I'm pretty excited for it. And then later on I'm gonna ask my friend to hold my phone, and I'm gonna test it at my neighbor house, and no, my neighborhood, my bad, my neighborhood. And we're going to unbox it, and we're gonna show people how much feet can I go on this, going far away, distant with my friend. And he's going to record me and zoom everything. I'm just doing everything the rest. So it's 50-50. So now let's go back to the video. We're going to unbox it right now, and it's gonna take me, I don't even know how long it's gonna take me. So let's just see. I'm excited. Let's open it. Hopefully this video is going to be the best. I try my best to improve myself every time when I make a new video. So let's see if this video blows up. It's a lot of layers. It's gonna take me a long time now. I like the sound of the tape when it sounds like when you open it. That's two. Come on. Why does it open? If you guys are wondering what's inside it, it's actually made with duct tape, and I put a bag in it. So it kind of looks like an old-fashioned, so it's pretty amazing. And I'm taking as much tapes if I can. So it's gonna be a long time to unbox this. A lot of tape. So much tape. Come on. Okay, this is gonna... Alright. This is just like opening a present when you have Hanukkah or Christmas. Honestly. And it takes you so long to open it. Destiny. Come on. Alright. Okay. Open it. Come on. Fuck. We're so close to open this. Let me just open it. Maybe I need a knife. I didn't even think about that. Okay. And it took me 4 minutes to open this shit. Alright. Maybe it's gonna take me 5 minutes to open it. I knew it. 5 minutes. Oh, come open this. Finally. We just opened it. So this is what we have here. The new Hollyland Lark. Is it called Lark Max 2. Pretty excited to open it. It's so cool. I'm gonna tell you everything what we have here. So we're gonna unbox it. You know what, screw it. I'm just gonna open the middle over here. Perfect. Take it out. I also want to tell you all the features what it has. So I forgot to tell that part. So I'm going to tell you all the features it has. So it also has AI, noise cancellation. It has a time code. It also has a distance that you can go far away from your friend, about 1,115 feet. That's crazy. Right here, guys. I swear to God, that's amazing right here. If you guys can see that, it's amazing. And it also has 14G. I have no idea what that means, but let me know in the comments. And I'm excited. It also goes up to 36 hours long distance. So that's pretty amazing, to be honest. So let's open it. Just like an iPhone, I swear. Every time I buy the iPhone, this is how an iPhone looks like when you open it. But it's much bigger. It comes with instructions. We don't need to open instructions. And here we go. We got this. How much bag? Come on, Hollyland. I'm giving you the best review, and you guys are making me open more bags. All right, what we got here? I'm excited. I have no idea what this is. Let me know in the comments. So we got... They give us so much shit. That's crazy. We got... I have no idea what this is. Right here, I don't know what this is, but let me know. I have no idea. We also give us another one. I'm pretty sure they give us the same thing I just opened. The Hollyland House is very organized with things, and I like it. It's organized. I'm very organized. It comes with 2 of this, so that's pretty amazing. It's also soft. I don't know why. Because it's brand new, that's why. Then, what do we got here? We got, maybe a USB-C. Maybe, I'm not sure. This is cool, but I don't even think I need this because I don't even have an iPhone 4G, so I don't even need this. What else I got? I know there's so much stuff they give us. More stuff. I dropped my charger accidentally, and that's a huge freaking box. Dang. I'm gonna show you everything, and that's what us. They give us so much stuff that we need for my YouTube stuff. It's pretty amazing. Hollyland, I'm proud of you guys. I'm really proud of you guys, honestly. And we got here also another one. I don't even use a lightning. I don't even think iPhones use lightning chargers anymore. But if you guys need this, let me know in the comments, and I'll give you this if you want it. And we got here. Come on, open this shit. They give us stuff. It's so cool. Look at this. It's so cool. What else they give us? More stuff. It's crazy. They give us finally a USB-C for it. That's pretty amazing. Hollyland. Why do I call it Hollyland? I don't get it. But that's the name of the company, so it's kind of funny. Sounds like Hollywood. And I don't even need this. And what else they give us? Oh man. More freaking opening. I'm impressed. They make us work super hard to open this shit. This is interesting. So this is how it looks like inside it, if you want to see how it looks. It comes with, oh man, my hands are sticky. Got it. Alright. They give us this microphone. It's so, I don't even know how to use it, but I'm going to figure out how to learn it. So it's pretty cool. Maybe you just put it maybe like this. I don't know if you guys can see it, but maybe I'll put it right here. That's how you do it, I guess. I'm not sure. I don't even know what I'm doing, but that's how you put it on. It's so cool. And then what are we doing? They give us something more. If you guys are wondering why do I need all this, so I have to put a better microphone so you guys can hear me perfectly, honestly. Oh wow, this is cool. They give us more microphones. So they give us this, and they give us more Hollyland. See, it says Hollyland. So this is cool. I like this too. I like this 2 microphone. This is perfect for me. And I guess this is something that you put on your camera or something like that. So that's pretty sick. Maybe I could test it and put it in my iPhone. That's super good. Nope. And then they give us the same thing last year with this piece of here, and you put it in the phone. Perfect. I'm really impressed about everything. They give us more stuff. They give us 2 more microphones. They give me a big one like this. This is freaking huge. This is what we got here. Let me show you everything we got here. Sorry for the mess. In Hebrew, we gotta say badagan. And they give us this. They give us more stuff. I hope you guys like this video. I really do, guys. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe to me and let me know in the comments. And I'll see you guys pretty soon. Adios and subscribe.
So what's up? It's Jakob Carney over here showing us some dances while I start the introduction. So today he wanted to show us a few things that he got. He got something for his camera that he can make his phone easier to be moved and tilted to show his proper position of the video. And also he got a lot of stuff like a cool mic. So I can put one on my phone and he can have one on his phone or on his himself.
And yo guys, also make sure to hit that subscribe button.
And this is the second part of his video. Well, right now he wanted to keep his promise to his fans and really show you guys everything that's over there. So he's gonna have one microphone, I'm gonna have one microphone, and we're gonna test out how far it goes. And Jakob, what do you have to say?
I hope you guys like this video, and I'm gonna explain to you the whole details of the video.
Now let's go on a walk, me and Jakob, and as we go on this walk, he will show you all of his things.
So what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna open the box. Look at how huge the Hollyland case is big.
Wow.
You got this, you got the microphone.
Wow, we're actually gonna go on a 1,050 feet walk? That's far.
I know, right? And this is just in a USB-C.
Check if it works that far, that's really far.
I wanna test it right now. I'm excited for this.
Yep, of course. Let's go. Let's start it off. Here is the stuff he has.
So explain to them, what is this?
How about you explain to them? I really don't know a lot about it.
So, alright, so let me explain to Benjamin and all the fans. So basically this thing over here is something that you put in your microphone, and so it doesn't make noise when you're like, when there's like wind or
Oh, that's
raining.
really cool. Yeah.
Like connect that, and it looks so sick. What do you guys think?
Sure, it does. Let us know what you think in the comments.
Let me know. And I hope this video gets 3,000K.
God willing.
And we got another one for you, dude. All you gotta do is just go like this.
Wait.
And then you can so simple.
Right here?
What is it? I got you. Just doing it like this. You got it?
Now I got one in my shirt.
You look fresh, bro.
Thanks.
Gucci.
Nah, it's not Gucci. Hey, it looks Gucci. I'll take that as a compliment. That's nice of you.
So what we're gonna do right now,
Nice
I'm gonna connect this thing in my shirt. And then if you can do the honor, I can do the honor to connect this over here. Why is it not connected? Perfect. Wait, I always hate this machine. So like that, bro, I need your phone.
My phone?
No, I'm sorry. Connecting. It's connected. Let me see. Let me test it. I'm so excited. I'm so sorry, guys. I have to do this. I'm still recording.
Yep. Want to start recording now?
Can I stop it? Stop it? Right now, I'm going to walk by the white fence. I don't know if you guys can see that, but yes, we're walking over there. And what? So we're walking to the white fence as we speak. I'm pretty excited. And Nick, Ben, are you gonna stop by the white fence right here, where the white fence are? Or I'm gonna make some history today, guys. So this history we're gonna do, I'm going to go 1,115 feet. Yeah. Alright. I'm walking, man. Alright. Ben, can you hear me? Alright. So I'm going as far as I can. Let me just face it so you guys can see what I'm doing. I don't care what people think of me. I'm super far away from Ben. Ben, can you hear me? Alright, perfect. I'm going very far right now. I feel kind of nervous right now. It's okay to feel nervous, especially when you're like in your neighbor's house, your neighborhood. Scary, nervous, but we're almost there. Look how far Benjamin is. Yo, Benjamin, can you see me? I'm almost close to there. Let's see how far I go. This is so, what? This is nothing. Come on. That's how far I go. If I break this history, and if this video gets to 1,150 feet, we'll get 3,000 watch hours. Hopefully. I really hope so. But I'm so far away from Benjamin as we speak. And it's pretty cool, to be honest. And wait, Benjamin, where are you going? Benji! Yo, Benji! Where are you going? Right now, I'm going to walk by the white fence.
How cool. Good job, I like it. Yes, sir, he's gonna make history. All right, you guys ready? Let's see. From here, let's see how far, if I can still hear him. And he can still hear me. I can still hear you. Yeah, we can still hear you. All right, he's almost at 1,015 feet. Could still hear you. And I could still hear him. He did it, 1,015 feet. Nice. Yakov, we did 1,015 feet.
Guys, I really hope you guys like this video. Subscribe to me. Comment below. Tell me what your thoughts on the video. And I hope this video blows up.
Have a great day, guys.
Hey,
subscribe.
Hey, Nick, I have a question to ask you. Like your dad?
Yeah, I'm on my worth, every single twist turn nothing. I can see a couple boys fronting, nothing. Why they even acting like I won't push a button, touch a button, touch a button. I'm breaking necks and I'm wilding out.